Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing. Make sure you are on an administrator account and create a system restore point. It saves time if something breaks. Next, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Themes, and switch to a default Windows theme. This drops many visual changes immediately. After that, open Apps and Features and uninstall the Mac theme application. If uninstall is blocked, reboot into safe mode to complete removal. Once done, proceed to remove leftover resources and tweaks. Now you remove the components that remain. First, navigate to see \windows\resources\themes and your user app data theme folders and delete the Mac theme folders. This removes visual assets. Then, if you used a patched shell or replaced Explorer, DLL, restore original system files from a backup, or use SFC and DISM to repair. This reinstates native behavior. Also check startup items in Task Manager and emsconfig, and remove any theme-related scheduled tasks. Make sure to restart Explorer to see immediate changes. Finish by repairing system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This fixes altered system files. Next, reset default apps and context menu associations in settings if icons or right-click actions still behave like the Mac theme. Once complete, reboot and verify visuals. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode and retry uninstall, or restore from the system restore point you made earlier. That single rollback often solves persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.